Evening. Good evening. This is Humair from California. I'm from East Bay, San Francisco Bay Area. I'm here in Naran, first time in the northern part of Pakistan. I just wanted to put a clip out there that this is an amazing scenery. There is waterfalls and it's just amazing greenery. Beautiful areas for you to go trekking, hiking, running, jogging, safe neighborhoods. They've built amazing tourism and hotels for people to come with their families and enjoy their summer vacation. In winter time, I believe there's a lot more snow. We're here in July and it's perfect. So I'd recommend to my friends, families to really give it a shot and visit the northern part of Pakistan, especially Naran. This is the river that runs for miles and miles. We have seen this coming through since I believe Atabad area, and as you can hear it in the background, it's alive and it's clicking. So please do visit the northern parts of Pakistan. As I can see it, it's just an amazing natural place for people to visit. Thank you.